Hello everyone. Today I, Prati Shruti,
I, Kratika Kohli.
And I, Navjot.
I, Kiran.
And I am Supriya.
We, the students of class 11, are gathered here on the auspicious day of science exhibition to explain our model, which is based on hemodialysis. Hemodialysis is the filtration of the impurified blood from the body of a human being whose kidney has stopped working properly. So I would like to request Kratika to explain the process.
Hemodialysis is also known as an artificial kidney. It helps in the removal of waste of calcium, sodium, potassium, etc. from our body when the kidneys stop working. It takes 4 to 7 times a month for each hemodialysis experiment on the body, and it costs about, on an average, it costs about 24,000 rupees to 48,000 rupees.
A person suffering from kidney failure has to go through this process until and unless he becomes cured. But this process has a defect as well, because this process is not a permanent recovery for the human being. It's just a temporary method of filtering the blood.
I would like to explain the process. This is the impurified blood. It goes,
which is pumped, and it enters the horporine, which prevents the clotting of blood. After that, it goes to the dialyzer, in which the impurified blood is filtered to purify it. It enters the air filtrate, and then it goes to the clean blood saver. From that, it enters the body of the human being, and in this way, the toxins which are present in the blood is removed from the body. This is all about our project, which we have represented on the science exhibition.
Thank you.
Thank you.